Hey Internet, welcome to heat transfer tutorial. This is a made up question not found in your textbooks. What's better, a highly detailed model or a simple model? So it depends on the situation. It depends on the problem. Is the problem critical? Is it just a general representation? What's the budget? So those are the factors that you should think about when deciding what kind of model you want to use. Here is the more detailed explanation, but I summed up the points in the summary. Okay, so like and subscribe. Before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down. While I follow all copyright laws, sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. If you never used snipping tool before, follow the instructions. So go to your taskbar and click on the icon. If it's not in your taskbar, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open the program. Click on a video option, then click on new. Left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe, share with your friends, ring the bell, turn on all notifications. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.